Hello guys, welcome back. So sa video ito, magsosolve tayo ng conditional permutations. So let's start. For example, number 1 natin. There are 4 different mathematics books and 5 different science books. In how many ways can the books be arranged in a shelf if A, books of the same subject must be placed together, and B, if they must be placed alternately. So now, meron daw tayong 4 different mathematics books and 5 different science books. So yung una, yung condition niya is books of the same subject must be placed together. Now, meron lang tayong dalawang ways para gawin yun. Okay, so ganito. Yung magkakasama yung apat na math, 1, 2, 3, 4. And yung 5 science book. So, yung isang way, nasa left yung mga math and nasa right naman yung science, and yung isa is ganito naman. Nasa left naman yung science and nasa right yung ating math. So, meron lang tayong 2 ways para i-arrange silang magkakatabi, no, as a group. So, yung arrangement nila sa group is is 2 ways. Then, ma-arrange pa natin sila individually, okay? So, yung mga math, ma-arrange natin sila in, so, meron siyang 4 available position, meron tayong 4 object na i-arrange. So, that is, for the math, 4, permutation of 4, taken 4 lang siya, okay? Kasi meron tayong 4 object and 4 position. So, that is 4 factorial. Then, for the science naman, meron naman tayong 5 positions na available and 5 objects na i-arrange. So, that is permutation of 5 taken 5 or 5 factorial. Then, by principle of counting, multiply lang natin itong tatlong to. So, the final answer is 2 times 4 factorial times 5 factorial, which is equal to, so solve ko dito, 2 times 4 factorial times 5 factorial, that is 5,760 ways. So, merong 5,760 ways para i-arrange natin sila na magkakatabi. And then, for letter B natin, they must be placed alternately. So, ganito lang natin sila i-arrange na. So, science, math, science, math, science, math, science, math, science. Okay, so alternate sila, science, math, science, math, science, math. So, many ways natin sila ma-arrange na ganito. So, now, titingnan lang natin. Yung science natin, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions na available, okay? So, how many ways natin ma-arrange yung 5 object and in 5 positions? So, that is simply permutation of 5 taken 5 lang, or 5 factorial. So, sa science to. And so, yung number of ways naman na ma-arrange natin yung math books is, meron naman tayong 1, 2, 3, 4 positions para sa math natin. So, mag-arrange tayo ng 5 objects in 5 position, that is permutation of 4 taken 4 lang, or 4 factorial. So, yung final answer natin will be, multiply lang natin to by counting principle. So, yung total is 5 factorial times 4 factorial. So, 5 factorial is 120, 4 factorial is 24, then 120 times 24 is 120 times 24, 2,880 ways. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Then, for example, number 2 natin, 4 couples want to have their pictures taken. In how many ways can they arrange themselves in a row if couples must stay together? Now, meron tayo dito ang 4 na couples. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong 8 people, okay? 4 pairs ng mga tao. So, let's say, yung mga couple natin is si A, B, C, D, EF, GH. So, ito yung mga people natin. Then, let's say yung mga couple natin is AB, CD, EF, and GH. So, ito yung mga couple natin. Now, dapat pag i-arrange natin daw sila, yung condition niya is couples must stay together. So, instead of arranging 8 people, meron na lang tayong, kasi ginrupo natin itong mga couple natin, 1, 2, 3, 4 people na lang na i-arrange. So, now yung formula natin is permutation of 4 taken 4 na lang. Okay? That is equal to, so as a group to, no? 4 factorial. Now, aside dito, ma-arrange din natin sila individually. So, itong mga couple na to, pwede pa natin silang ma-arrange. So, that is permutation of 2 taken 2. Okay? That is equal to 2 factorial. And then, dahil meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4 na couple, times 4 pa natin yan. And then, yung final answer natin by counting principle, multiply lang natin yan. So, that is 4 factorial. So, simplify lang natin to. That's equal to 24. This is equal to 8. So, final answer is total arrangement is 24 times 8. That is 32, 16, 192. So, the final answer is 192. So, for the last example natin, in how many ways can 6 students be seated in a row of 6 seats if 2 of the students insist on sitting beside each other? So, now dito naman meron tayong 6 students. So, sabihin na natin na si A, B, C, D, E, F yung mga students natin. Now, 2 of them insist on sitting beside each other. So, let's say si B and C yun. So, gusto nila magkatabi lang sila. Now, instead of 6 people na i-arrange natin, meron na lang tayong 1, 2, kasi group as 1 natin to, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people na lang. So, para na tayo nag-arrange ng 5 people. So, number of arrangement natin dyan is permutation of 5 taken 5 lang, or 5 factorial. Now, aside from that, ma-arrange pa natin tong dalawang to. That is permutation of 2 taken 2, or 2 factorial. So, yung total arrangement niya is multiply natin itong dalawa by counting principle. So, the total is 5 factorial, which is equal to 120 times 2 factorial, which is equal to 2. Okay? Multiply lang natin. Final answer is 240 ways. So, meron tayong 240 ways. So, yun lang yun. Kung meron kayong problems na related dito sa topic natin, comment below lang, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.